phone number. Like calling 911, you'll be able to dial 988 when you're having a mental health emergency. But as David Winter reports, some people are questioning whether the state in which they live will be ready for the new number.
In an op-ed piece in the health magazine Stat, a Harvard psych professor alleges just 4 states have plans in place and funding secured for the new 988 mental crisis hotline. Ohio, Indiana, and Kentucky not among them. Will Kentucky be ready on July 16th for a 988 system?
I think that remains to be seen based upon the actions of the legislature.
Congress passed the National Suicide Hotline Designation Act in 2020, requiring states to implement by July 2022 a new 988 emergency shortcut, just like dialing 911 in a police or physical health emergency. The problem has been that people in mental crisis either crowd ERs or call 911 when having a mental health crisis, eliciting a police response. They either don't get the help they need or sometimes end up in jail or, at worst, shot by police.
We had someone who had actually was preparing to take their life with their child in their home.
NAMI Ohio says more people will call for help if they can count on an appropriate response.
They were fearful somebody would call 911 and then the police would show up and that they would lose their job, because then it was a law enforcement situation.
You believe that Ohio is going to be ready to go with 988 in July?
We will be ready to go.
The person in charge of implementing Ohio's 988 system says the state already has the plan and will have the funding secured and will provide live local help, which currently only half of Ohio's counties currently have.
The best practice, if you will, in this field is someone who knows the local community, who has all of the resources at their fingertips.
And having a 3-digit code at the fingertips of someone in mental crisis could save lives. David Winter, Local 12 News.
988 goes into effect July 16th. So if you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health crisis between now and then, you can call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline. That number, 1-800-273-8255. That's 273-TALK. You can also text TALK to 741-741.
Elite canine cops with a new mission. They're trained to sniff out